Oh, cool.
All right, started recording. Let me see. I just made you a presenter, Dr. Gunai. That's the only way for everyone to.
I didn't mean to interrupt.
No.
Do you need any help from me?
No worries. Just we had to make everyone a presenter if we wanted to actually let them be able to talk. That's the only way. Right.
That's good idea. Good idea. Excellent. I'll let you present. Sorry for interruption. I'm switching between rooms.
Okay, no worries.
Bye.
Yeah. So most of the text on the screen are clickable, so you can click on the phone number, and it should open up your phone app, so you can easily just call the co-op. Usually, if my computer wasn't going so slow, it happened a lot faster. But there you can see, and then you can just hit call and call them for quick access. Same thing with the website and the email. It would open up your default email app, and it will start an email as long as you're logged in. So I'm not logged in on the emulator, but it would still bring up the Gmail app. So
And same thing with the directions and address. So yeah, we wanted to allow people to be able to test this application, but right, it's not on the App Store, and that takes a while to get certified. So, but we do have an Android APK. If anybody has an Android phone, they can install it directly on their Android phone and test it out if you guys like to. If you would, you could just say something in the chat, and actually, I could post a link to it.
no worries. So we have 2 surveys here that the Create event would like for you guys to fill out. And just on this first survey, just make sure when you go over here, you click on the Lawrenceville Co-op app. And the other one is specifically for the Lawrenceville Co-op, so you don't need to click on that. So there's the first, oh no, that's the APK. So here is survey 1. And if you guys have any questions about the app or just anything you guys want to talk about, go ahead and do that. Thank you, Ed. Thank you.
Yeah, if there's anything that you guys want us to show again, we could also do that.
What's that second link right under survey 2? I just get like a 404 error. Or it says, sorry, the file you have requested does not exist.
Oh, did I not send the whole link? It's probably my fault.
Yeah, I got the same thing for the first Google Doc too.
For the first one as well?
Yeah.
First one.
Whoops. Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah, you can post the second survey again.
Yeah, that one looks more legit.
Yep, that worked.
Cool.
Yeah, the second one worked. The first one is just stuck, like it's trying to load the page. Been sitting here for a while.
Really? Okay, let's try this. Huh,
Okay.
that's
I'm
weird.
able to actually view that one, but
Maybe it's like a GGC thing. Maybe I should
I
ask
think
Dr.
it's the
Yeah,
thing. Yeah.
I don't know why he asked us to ask everyone to do it then. I'll send him a quick message.
Okay.
Hey Chris, I need to drop off, but good job, guys. I left the survey and then also did the first feedback too. So I'll
Okay.
talk to you guys later.
Okay,
That's fine.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, no problem. See you. Hey, Mark, you're good to go too once you finish the survey, by the way. Appreciate you joining too.
Yep, no problem. The survey, the first survey doesn't work. I'm almost done with the
Yeah.
second survey, so
Okay. What I'll do is if I need to, I'll send you guys the questions at a later time.
okay, cool. Yeah, I'll drop off then. Yeah, the app looks really good, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Yep.
thank you.
Bye.
All right. Does anybody else have any questions or issues with the? Well, I guess first survey is not going to work for you guys, but of course you know them, right? So you could send them a
Yeah,
list
yeah,
of
I can
questions.
I can send you guys but like the survey, it starts with ggc dot something, so I'm pretty sure they might
I
not
was
have it.
actually able to complete both surveys, but I clicked the first link that you said like a
Oh,
little
really?
while ago, like
Hmm.
before everybody else joined. When you sent 2 links, I clicked those 2.
That's
Maybe it
weird.
generates like a specific link for one person. Is there like a
Oh,
separate link before that?
every single time. Cynthia, were you able to?
I did it to the bottom too.
Oh, so you did do 2 of them, 2 different ones? As long as
Yeah,
you did 2 different ones.
yeah.
Cool. How about Patrick?
Yeah, I still. Let me try it again.
I mean, I can just send it to you guys. You guys don't have to stay on here.
I was able to do
The
the second one. I did the Google one.
Okay, cool. I'll send the other one. Here, let's try it again. I'll send another link. That's the first one technically again.
Okay.
Maybe it does something different. But our actual professor actually already saw you guys on here, so pretty sure we got our points.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, good job, guys.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Good job. It looks great.
Yeah, that's
Are
good.
you gonna go back and volunteer there? Hey, Christian, I actually just remembered that my sister used to volunteer at the co-op.
Right. Oh yeah, I heard you talking about that.
Yeah, just
That's
today
great.
when I was telling her to come over here, I was like, "Hey, didn't you volunteer at a food bank before?" And she was like, "Yeah, the Lawrenceville Co-op." I was like, "Wow,
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, small world.
I know."
Um,
Damn,
we
Patrick,
have
your
to stay here
connection is
till
low. Yeah, I think we gotta stay. Well, it's only been 30 minutes. Yeah, I guess we got to stay until like 3:15 or something, or however long.
15. Okay. Not bad.
I mean, only one of us has to stay technically. So I mean, I don't have anything doing. If you're at work right now, I got something. I don't mind staying.
No, I actually ended up taking the day off like
Oh,
super late,
nice.
but they yeah, my boss let me take the day off. That was my boss that came in, by the way.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, my boss and my coworker. So it's a really small company, so you know, I guess we could take time out the day sometimes.
True. I mean, that's
Cool.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll stay online, but I'll probably just eat some food while we wait.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna mute my mic. I'll be back.
Cool. Hello.
Hi there.
Hey, my name's Chris. We're showing our app here we made for the Lawrenceville Co-op. It's a food bank ministry here in Lawrenceville, and they get donations for food, and they give food to people that need it in the Lawrenceville and Tequila community. So basically, they didn't have an app before, and they really wanted a easy way to have their customers check in before they got there, especially because recently, because of COVID times, their numbers have gone up substantially. So it was a little bit hectic, and they really wanted some way for the customers to check in so they could get ready before they even got here. So this is the app, and this is the main feature, is the check-in feature. So sorry about in advance though, by the way, because my computer's going a little bit slow running the emulator, but usually on an app it'll go a lot faster. Yep, so this is the main page. You have the 3 days that the co-op is open, and these are the time slots. Let me make her presenter if she also wants to talk. Yeah, so, and it showed like if there's no time slots left. These are all made up times for the moment because we're still waiting on the co-op to give us the exact times and time slots that they want and the amount of slots. But that's just basically how it would work. And if there's no slots available, it would be grayed out. And as it is Thursday, we can't schedule Monday or Wednesday right now. So we can present the schedule for 1:30 a.m. on Friday. This button, and then this screen will pop up. You'd put in your email, your name, your address, your phone number, and your birthday. And I have all these generic stuff in here so we can test it out. And we would hit submit. And then the confirmation page would come up. And again, it's only going this slow because too many things running on my computer right now. Come on. Yeah, it's definitely. Okay, there we go. There's a confirmation page, and you can tell when your pickup is and where the co-op is at, and a phone number just in case, and what to bring with you because they always need a piece of mail and a picture ID for all adults. And then we can go back home. And if you go back to the check-in page again, you would not be able to and again, but it would show you that you've already checked in. There you go. And if you'd like, you cancel the reservation, or if you accidentally click that, you can go back and say no, that you didn't want to do that, but you can cancel it if that wasn't the time that you wanted, and confirm this time. Eventually when it works, okay, and then you can select again. And then there's like other pages on the app that are just like informational. The contact us page, it's a little bit more user friendly, can has the address and the phone number and the website. You can click on the phone number and the email and the website, and the address at the bottom, and it would open up in the apps that they use. So the phone number would open up the phone app, and you could just go ahead and call them eventually when the emulator works. There you go. Then you can just hit call. Easy way to call them. And the email and the website work the same way. It would open up in your email app, your default email app, and your default web browser app, and they would open on there. And same thing with the address. It would open up in your default Maps app. But if you didn't want to do that and you kind of know the area, because most of the people that are customers for the co-op live in Lawrenceville and Dacula, so you can kind of tell where you are by moving around in the app. Zoom in a little bit if you like. And yeah, that's about it. We have some surveys for you guys if you'd like to take a survey for us. Or if you have any questions, we can go ahead and answer that as well. Let's see. Let me see if I can copy and paste this again. Here we go. You guys can just do those surveys, and I think on the first survey, just make sure you click the drop down and click on the Lawrenceville Co-op app. And yeah, that's about it. You guys have any questions?
I do not have any questions. This looks fantastic. I'm gonna click on those surveys right now and open them in one of the 5,000 tabs I have open. But as one of the co-chairs of the ERSCA committee that worked on putting this together, I do also have a survey if anybody is up for filling it out. It's just a feedback survey about the conference or the symposium overall. But I don't want it to take away from attention to your surveys, so I'm just going to pop it right there. And just thanks so much for sharing your work. I'm going to pop out of this right now. Congratulations on your work.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hey, I just got back.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, so you just presented to who was that?
She's, I guess, the co-chair of the Create Symposium.
Oh,
Not really sure. I'm guessing some kind of professor at GGC.
okay, cool. Was it? Does Farney have any? You got any questions? You type in the chat if you do.
Right, I was like, why would I type when I can just say it a lot faster? I was gonna say, did y'all select this project for any particular reason? Like, did you think it was easier or more difficult than the other ones, or you're really interested in co-ops, or like giving back to the community, or sort of
I would say
wanting to know?
definitely for me a bit of both. So giving back to helping out the community, and also because I wanted to work with something that was fresh. I didn't want to take on somebody else's project and then try to figure that out. And then it's easier for me to work from like the ground up. So that was also another reason.
Yeah, I just like the fact that it was like kind of like a real client. It was like a like another company or like nonprofit, and we got to have like some experience working with somebody that that's not really technically savvy, and so I think that was kind of cool, just doing things with them. Honestly, I think that part was a little bit easier for us because since they don't really know anything technically, that we were just able to just say like, this is what we're gonna do, this is how we're gonna do it, and they're just like, oh, okay, yeah, that sounds cool. So
Oh yeah, that was helpful too.
That was cool.
They did at the end. I feel like they started wanting a couple more things. So I was like, I don't think we can do that.
But it's a lot easier to tell them no. than somebody
Yeah.
that's technically savvy. So
That is true.
Nice.
I kind of want to check out the some other projects. I don't know if I can do that though.
Yeah, you guys should check out the Pocket Pals one. I was um I was able to view one of the other section of software dev too that's going on, but I don't know like how to find the schedule for that or the links to things without getting one from whoever is presenting for that one specifically. Because I
Yeah,
did want to check out some others, but I don't have access to them.
I
I
completely
think they're all
forgot.
on Reddit, right?
Multiple.
Are all of them? Well, I know for our class. Did he post
Oh,
something new?
oh, for all the
Yeah.
other stuff, not our class.
Yeah.
I think there's a website. I just don't know where it is.
Oh.
I could just join multiple. Let me join. Check out
Let's
Pocket
see.
Pals.
Oh, my computer's going ridiculously slow. They did not. Wonder if they sent an email. Ugh, I signed in over here and forever. Oof. I'm surprised they never sent an email about it. Maybe.
Chris, are you looking for? I actually look at this, but I'm posting this link here that I see in Discord.
Yeah, there's the website.
I'm checking out the Pocket Files game. It's actually kind of dope.
The Pokemon game, yeah.
Yeah, I like it. They got some like new drawings in there. Just gotta go.
Yeah, I think he was in my class last semester, and they made a pretty cool game last semester too. I guess
Oh,
they improved on it, but
my work chat is blowing up. I need to exit this.
thanks, Vaughn. See you later.
All right, thank you. Hey, if you copy those, can you that's from the one that wasn't working, right?
Yeah, I mean that's what they said, but my sibling said it was working. So, and then
Yeah,
Dr. Goodnight said it should be working for everyone.
it should be working for I maybe
Yeah,
I don't know, maybe it's just like specific network or something, but
yeah,
if you can send that and put that in Discord or
yeah. I'll send it to you right now.
cool.
I could have just done this.
Oh man, it looks like they'll actually have to go to that link to fill out that survey.
Which link?
Just filled it out for another team, and it's yeah. So it's not just a question. It's gonna be sent to like a specific. Yeah, I don't know. Like once you do this, you go to the next. I don't know. It all gets added up in one place or whatever. So unless we do it for them somehow.
Yeah. Does it show you at the end?
By the way. Okay, cool.
Hello, Asho. I know you already saw our app during class. Do you have any questions for us, or do you want me to go through some of the screens again and talk about it?
Sorry, talking in the chat, Corey. Talking in the chat for our demo. I don't know if Chris is here. Chris, you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Oh yeah, he wants us to go. She wants us to go over it again. Yeah, of course. So this is just the app for the Lawrenceville Co-op food bank ministry. We made it. They wanted an app. They never had one before, so that their customers can check in before they get here, so they know ahead of time.
Hey, Chris, sorry, I had this muted.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
That's why I couldn't hear you the whole time. My bad. But my my brother is joining in like 30 seconds. So
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah, we can start at the same time in like 30
Yeah,
seconds.
we,
Is that
we can
all right?
start. Is it cool if we wait for his brother Asho?
All right, thank you.
I'll go ahead and send you the link, the survey links, so you can get started on them if you want. Hey Omar, we're waiting for one more person to join.
Hey, actually, it's okay. Let's go ahead and start. He might join like halfway through, but that's okay. I'll just show him
Okay.
later.
All right, guys. So this is just the app that we made for the Lawrenceville Co-op. They're a community food bank ministry located here in Lawrenceville. They serve people food that was donated to them. That most of these people are, homeless or hungry or anybody that's needy, going through some tough times that would just need some food. They provide that for them, and they came to leaders here, and they wanted us to create an app for them. Could check in ahead of, so the co-op could
Hey,
know ahead of time who's coming. Hey,
it's breaking up. It was breaking up a little bit. I'm not sure. Do you want me to try to reiterate what you were saying?
yeah, maybe you should. I don't know what's going on over here.
Okay, I think it's probably just computer slowing down. Um, but okay, yeah. So Lawrenceville Co-op, they came to GDC and they wanted people to they wanted us to build a mobile application for them to kind of help with the process of people picking up food donations. So we created a system where they could check in at certain times and then they'll be able to pick it up during those times. So that way it'll be a little bit more just I guess simplified for them. Um, Man, we could show the check-in process.
All right.
And so here, so this is the check-in screen. So as soon as you come here, so Monday and Wednesday already passed, so you're not able to check in during those times. So that's grayed out. You can't click on it; it won't do anything. And then yeah, these times here that you're able to check in for. So, uh, like say, for instance, if you want to check in for 1:30, there's 10 slots available. So you actually click on that. And then it'll bring up the screen where you input your information, and your information may be already generated if you already provided some information before. So all of this is filled up with information that's stored on the actual phone device. So your email has to be a valid email, valid phone number length, and valid birthday length. And then once you submit, you're able to you'll be signed up for that time. It'll be updated in database. Eventually, Lawrenceville Co-op will get a notification. Um, so then once you submit, it'll go through a little verification process. So it takes a second to go through that process, and then we'll get a confirmation screen. in a second. I think the emulator is just a little bit slow. But the confirmation screen, basically, it'll just show that you're signed up, what to do next, and it's a lot slower this time.
Yeah, my emulator is going super slow today.
No problem.
There we go.
There we go. So this is the confirmation screen. So you can see that same time that he selected earlier, which was Friday the 13th at 1 o'clock. You can see where you need to go, the phone number if you need to contact them for more information. There's also the what to bring with you. So if you bring a piece of email or bring a piece of mail, and then a picture ID for any adults that you're signing up for. And then you go back to the home screen, and then back to the check-in. And you'll see that, okay, you're scheduled for this time, and then also that you're able to cancel the reservation if you need to. And it has a little confirmation pop up. So this is just to help people that, just to help the organization just really streamline the process. That's the main functionality they wanted, but we also have the About Us page here. So it's just about the actual organization. We have their mission, vision, and values statements, just to give a little idea of who they are. And then here's the contact page. So like their hours of operations, the phone number, email, website, just different ways to get in contact and learn more about the organization here. The Google Maps address. So you can select most of the text in this page. So you can select like the phone number text, and that will actually take you to the phone app, so that you're able to call them directly from our application. Same thing with the email. Same thing with the email and website. Those also work. And then also the Google Maps address. So we figured this would be super convenient too. So you can click on the text on the bottom if you wanted to open up the Google Maps app directly from the phone. So this, so it's just really just to try to make things a lot easier for them. It's the whole idea of the app. We definitely have like more features that could be added. So like, having user accounts so that people could actually go in with a validated email, where we verify their email, maybe even their phone number, just to make sure that everything is more secure. But that's the idea of the application. If you have any questions.
There goes my emulator. What just happened?
Oh man. On its own too, huh?
Yeah, I didn't even do anything.
Wow. That's okay. I think we just finished, so it's like actually good time.
Yeah, perfect timing.
So thank you, Asha. So Chris, I don't know if everybody got the links, but if you could actually post
Yeah,
links.
I'm gonna send it one more time.
Okay. Now, so yeah, we have some links for the survey for what you guys think about the application. And if you have any questions, you could say something or post in the chat. Or I think everybody is participants. Yeah. So yeah, you can say something in the chat if you have any questions.
I think I made it so participants can also speak now if they like.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I didn't know that was a thing before, but participants can also.
Okay.
Sure.
So all right, cool. Yeah. So you have any questions, you could also say something. Also, if you have any ideas of what you think would be useful for the app, that's would like to know too. I think we're getting close to the end, Chris. So like, I don't know if you have to worry about that.
Oh yeah, I was gonna try to wipe it and do it again, but yeah, you're right. We are pretty close to the end.
Yeah, so it might make it a little easier for you. Right. We actually had a lot of people come by.
Yeah,
So, total.
we definitely got our 5, so we're good.
Yeah, so that's cool. Not everybody could do that other server though, so hopefully we got 5 out of that. Hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, I can get my brother to do it later too.
Yeah, I'm gonna send the link again to my more people at work, but I don't know if it didn't work the first time. I don't know if it's gonna work the second time. So there's actually a lot going on today. I didn't know that. I don't think Dr. Gunai got my first presentation anyway, so it was probably a good thing I presented on this one. Yo, something happened?
That was weird. Got disconnected there.
Okay. Yeah, it's all good. All right, so yeah, I don't know. What do we do? I guess we just shut it down.
I guess. Let's see. Did you double check the time? I didn't double check the time. I'm pretty sure it was 3:15.
Did not.
See, create. Yeah, 2 to 3:15.
Okay.
So I guess we're done. I guess I can stop recording now.